Hey guys, we're doing the random now to determine the order of the team draft for today. It's 3:29:48 PM Melbourne time. We're the bottom. They're the bottom. Random is Rive. Dice roll. We got 8 times. One, dos, three, cuatro, 5, 6, 7, and well, there you go. We got 6 spots, so that's fair enough. There it is there. So Shane Borto, Andrew Hurley, Van Houten, Mick Hurley, Paul Johnson, Michael Paul, Van Houten, Danny Dunn, Matty, Matt Druitt, Borto, Cam, Wilco, Dean, Darren, Borto, Jacob, Druitt, Dale, Borto, Dale, Irvine, Hal, Borto, Daniel, Charles, Steve, and Darren. And that's the list. Yeah. Random is complete.